I've just realised I could actually create content. So I've been posting a lot more videos lately because I really enjoy it, I guess. There's not many hits or anything, but whatever. A few of you that appreciate it, a few of you that appreciate it, sorry, I'm looking at this. It's like rivets on an aircraft. What is that? Okay, there's two pieces here. Riveted together. They are rivets. It's so cool. Anyway, I can make up bullshit, is what I'm saying. I could say, oh, this Audi has got this, and make 20,000 videos a day. Not that it's easy. So I was just starting to make a video here. I ran out of memory. You know, I'm working, but whatever. As long as you appreciate it, or one or two of you do, it's worth it. So I can talk about past failures and apply them to the same vehicle. This particular vehicle has had two door trims replaced. Okay, it's got 90,000 Ks on it. Both doors got stuck within a few days of each other. I've checked the door trims are new. Audi would have sent it out, maybe to a panel beater. They had to destroy the door trims, etc., etc. So, you know, and another one is this constant staining on this cover from all the oil topping up. Like, it just took another litre now. But I do have something to make a video about. Okay, these cars are quite sensitive. Audi usually, as far as I know, always use mass airflow meters. So with all the topping up, and I just made a video not long ago about it. I mentioned the O-rings, right? See that? So with all the topping up, oh, that's about to fall in. Okay, those orange things usually all disintegrate on the other models. This one's held there, and it's thicker. But yeah, all the other ones explode. You put the dipstick in, and the whole thing just falls apart. But here, this dipstick wasn't pushed in all the way, and funny enough, there's no check engine light. Okay, see, or has it broken? Yeah, something's broken off the end of it, I think. But what happened? Where's it gone? Oh, it's gone down here. Alright, so what happened? Oh. You can just see what these cars do. So I was going to show you how it came in, which was... looks like the Mercedes, that O-ring, I guarantee you, I've just found the part for the Mercedes vacuum pump. For the spindle at the end. That's it. That's the same O-ring. Alright. So what happens is, it wouldn't close. It was like that from the bloke sucking air in. That's what this video is about. But on the other models, they're bigger. Now, I'm wondering, did someone put that O-ring on? Something's broken off the end there. I'll have to look it up. So, but it looks a bit, normally the O-rings are much bigger. That feels like it's sealing, but it's not. It's sealing on these two clips. Yeah, of course it's gonna suck air in. Let's see. Yep, gotta push the clutch. So, oh, I'm well in. When you sit in these, you're really sitting in them. I'm pretty sure he's had a... what did he have? He had the door trims and something else. Sorry guys, I just want to check something. Oh, it is there. It just sounds like it's there we go. Yeah, it sounded like it was the wrong way around. Yeah, can't hear the front speakers. That's pretty good that you can do all that like there instead of scrolling through. Okay, so yep. I'm highly distracted today. I'm highly not in work mode, see? See, that's how he came in, look. I should have thought about that. I don't want to, for the sake of the video, have to put the scanner on it and then clear it and then rah, 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 and all the bullshit that goes with it. But they're very sensitive cars. They always have been. So, yeah. Anyway, I'll be likely gluing that on and letting it go. Because I'm not going to pick up the phone, have a van, deliver the dipstick. Right, when he services it at Audi, deliver the dipstick in a bag. I have to write a check, make 62 cents on it, and be on hold for 20 minutes, etc., etc. Audi, actually, their parts are quite good. They know what they're doing. Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche have got some of the best employees now from the industry in Sydney. But I'll advise him, I'll glue it on, but it's not worth it. It's not. I don't believe you should, okay, unless, like, those bits that broke off would have gone into something long ago. They all do. But, yeah, it's going to happen again. And I'll do what I can. But even if you put just a layer of sealant here, it's got to be spotlessly clean, though. And, you know, it won't last if there's oil in the plastic and it's going to keep seeping out. But, cut a long story short, sand that back, put a film of good sealant on it, like the grey, the Permatex grey that Subaru use, which on the timing covers, and solve that problem. I don't believe it'll stay forever, but if the part was new, with no oil ever on it, or if you maybe put a layer of something else on it first and then the sealant, this problem will be eliminated and you won't have to cost the environment. Not that I'm a greenie, but these cars are an environmental disaster. This trader's gone somewhere else. This guy's a trader. And that's what I'm saying. You know what I mean? Why didn't the water pump people pick up on that? Because they're fucking stupid. So, yeah, this came like that. I saw the car shaking. But anyway, that's a video. You know, this car looks perfect. They're usually far from it. But 100,000 Ks. As I said, if you don't drive them, they're fine. And lots of topping up of the oil, but manual, you know, manual's good. Doesn't the weight, I mean, the weight of this engine is not in the centre of the vehicle. The gearbox starts here. This car's off. It's right off, but I'd love to drive it in manual. I have years ago in the previous model that used to, the one that flipped over or whatever, the first one. But yeah, they do drive quite nicely. But do I need to create bullshit to create content? No, I don't. Like, I was thinking, is there anything on this video, on this car? No, there isn't. I can mention the door trims, but I have previously in another video, but this is it. So, you know, get ready. You know, you're going to buy these cars. Get ready to pay. Anyway.